Right then, today's job, we're going to make an infill board to go in here to turn this into a proper V-berth. Probably sleep two children in here, one adult. So that's today's job. I'm going to remove these trims first. I'm going to put a batten across the bottom and then cut the boards to fit. I'm going to make them in 3 pieces. So if you want to lift them out, you'll be able to store them underneath the V-berth out of the way. So just using an off-cut to apply the right thickness. I'm just going to mark underneath. And that'll let me see where I need to screw the batten on. Once that's screwed into there, then your board should all sit flush. Right. You can see there the batten is fixed on. Ply will sit flush. And then you get a cushion for the middle. And then you'll be able to kick back and relax when the fish is not very good. There you go, guys. One V-berth. The cushion's one recovering. But, there she is. Good stretch right there. Adult could sleep in here, no problem. You'll probably get 2 adults in here. One large adult, one small adult. 2 children. Tidy.